is Renu Sharma, and I'm the General Manager of the Middle East Joint Ventures and Aviation Business and the Country Chair of the UAE. I work for Chevron. I'm based here in Dubai. I discovered e-colors on my assignment in Singapore a few years ago, and it really changed my life in terms of how I manage my personal and professional life altogether. In understanding people, their sentiments, their reactions, their responses, their personalities, their characters, where they're coming from. And it's really shaped us not just in the safety and operational excellence world, but also in understanding how teams can be better at what they do. It was one of the best coachings. I was trained to be a trainer. I have part of that knowledge as well. I continue to talk about it. I am blue over red, and I am trying to dig deep into those wells of yellow and green to be a more balanced person as I move forward every day at work and in my personal life. Thank you, Louis, for e-colors, and thank you for transforming us at work and as human beings. I appreciate it.